Inside the mind of an AI. Understanding machine learning. Machine learning is the backbone of artificial intelligence, allowing machines to learn from data and improve over time. But how exactly does it work? At its core, machine learning involves training algorithms to recognize patterns in data. These algorithms then use these patterns to make predictions or decisions about new data. In the context of AI, machine learning allows machines to learn and adapt on their own, without being explicitly programmed for every task. This has led to breakthroughs in fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics, enabling machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be impossible. But machine learning also raises important questions about privacy, security, and ethics. As machines become more advanced, how do we ensure that they are making decisions that align with human values? Experts say, one approach is to design algorithms that are transparent and explainable, so that humans can understand how the machine arrived at a particular decision. Another approach is to incorporate ethical principles into the design of AI systems. As the use of AI becomes more widespread, it's clear that we need to have a thoughtful and nuanced conversation about the ethics of AI. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech Talkin'. Be sure to subscribe to AI Futurist for more insights on the latest AI advancements and their implications for society. Inside the mind of an AI. Understanding machine learning.